Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to install TrendMyFriend Algo from our official website. So before installing, there are some requirements. Your laptop or PC must have Windows 8 or above, that is operating system. Processor should be i5, operating system should be 64-bit, antivirus should be turned off, a good internet connection, and your Google Chrome should be updated to latest version. Okay, let us go to Google Chrome and search for trendmyfriend.co.in, which is our official website. Click on TMF free trial. Fill up the form, that is your name, email, and phone number. Click on submit and download. The download has started. Click on open. You will, after opening the algo, you will find the message from Windows. Click on more info. Run anyway. This is the disclaimer. Click on next. Please make sure that your created desktop shortcut that is checked. Click on next. If it is unchecked, please check it and click on next. Install. Now the software is getting installed. The setup is complete. I'll just expand this and I'll click on create a new account. Let us register ourselves. Create a username. The username should be alphanumeric in character, which means you should have some alphabets and some numbers. Click, type in your first name, type in your last name, your email ID. Before typing in your password, please type in your mobile number. Then type your password. Please make sure that your password is more than 8 characters. And please take a screenshot of this for later use. And click on create account. I have taken screenshot of this. So I'll just go and create this account. This is the security question. What is your nickname? I'll just type trader. You can type your own nickname. The user registration is complete. I'll close this and I'll restart the album. Now you can see my user ID is already taken and my password is automatically taken. I'll just sign in. This is the disclaimer. Just scroll it down and click on I understand. Now we have the access for Algo. So they are login, download and installation plus login is successful.